Hello everyone, this is Sumit Kumar and today I am going to tell you two ways to get or verify the resolution of the screen that you are using right now in your PC or system, and also how to get the coordinates of the mouse pointer at that particular time. We will be using PyCharm for this, and the main highlights for this project or the system that we'll be making is we would just write three lines of code. We would use PyAuto GUI, that's the name of the package, and then I would give one more easier way to get the coordinates of the mouse pointer at a particular time point using Paint. So let's just start with the project. The first thing that I would do is I would open my PyCharm Community Edition 2020. It would take a little bit time the first time it opens, and then when it gets open you can already see the package that I have already created. The name of the project is Keylogger, and after making this Keylogger project, the first thing that we need to do is we need to create a file named whatever your wishes. So the file that I have named here is resolution. So I would tell you the process for creating a new file. It's just directly go to this package, and or you can directly go to this directory. After going to this directory, right click on this. When you right click, you see this new, and then you see a Python file here. You click on this Python file, you type the name of your file, and then you just need to type the name without any extension, and then automatically the file gets created with this extension of .py stating it's a Python file. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to import the package. So the package that we'll be importing is PyAuto GUI, as I have stated. Now what you can see is while you import this PyAuto GUI package, you see a red line beneath it. So what why does this come? So the reason behind this is this package is not being installed in my system. That's why you get a red line here. Now once you point at this particular you know word or keyword, you see various options here, such as this install package PyAuto GUI. So you need to install this package, and you have various options to install this package. The first and the foremost option is you can directly go and hover your mouse over this, and then you get this installed option here. Other than this, the second option is you can go for this alt shift and enter to install this package, but we would use a more conventional method. What we would do is we would go to file, and then we would click on settings, and after clicking on settings you see this project interpreter option. You click on this project interpreter, and then you click on this plus sign. Now here you see a search bar. Here we would type the name of the package that we want to install. So it's PyAuto GUI, and while you type the name, you see n number of options available here related to the keywords that you type in there. So we would be specific to what we need, and then we would see PyAuto GUI here. Once you see this PyAuto GUI, you click on this, you see a description of the package that you are about to install. You see the version, you see the place from where it's getting installed, and for systems that it's gonna support, and everything you see here. These all specifications you won't find it when you press alt enter or directly you just install the package. You won't get all these options available there. So what I would do next is I would click on this install package and wait for a little bit till the package gets installed. It takes a fraction of a second, and see you get a green notification here, and then a second notification here, and then you click on OK, and then you get the third notification here that your package got installed, and then at last you get a green line saying that your package got installed. You can see the size of the package and everything while you hover on it. Now the first thing that we want to do is we need to find out the resolution of the screen that I am using right now. So in order to do that, I would directly print the resolution. So I would write print. Print has its own attributes. I would go with a blank attribute and then give my own. So I would use PyAuto GUI dot the size of my screen. Let's run it. So to run a file in PyCharm, you just need to right click on this empty space, then click on run resolution, and then you find the resolution. The resolution of the screen is given as width and height, the number of pixels present in the width and the number of pixels present in the height. So what it says is there is 1920 pixels in the width of my screen, and height has 1080 pixels. So this was quite good. I found out my result. The next thing that I need to do is I need to find out the position of the mouse pointer in that particular moment of time wherever it's situated on the screen. So I would directly print that too. So as you can see, print has its own attribute, value separation and file flush and so on. So I would just directly click on print, and then I would use PyAutoGUI dot position of my mouse. So position has its coordinate x and y. So once you do this, you right click and just note that my mouse is pointing at run resolution nearly at the center of the screen. So after I run this, I get a coordinate, say 1023 and 558. This was the position of my mouse at that time. Let us change and then just recheck or verify if it works well. Now since my mouse is pointing at this particular point, the coordinates of x and y should change. So I would just click on run, and then you can see that the points has changed. It's 803 comma 620. So this is how you get the position of the mouse, and you can use these things in building up of building various projects, such as in the immediate next video I would show how to create or shut down the system using PyAutoGUI. You can easily hover, the mouse would automatically come to the start point, and then it will click on this power option and then shut down. All these things will happen automatically without any human intervention. So you can create some really amazing projects using this. And then as I told you, I would show one more option. You can directly go to paint. Once you click on paint, you can see that wherever you hover your mouse at this particular point here, you see the coordinates of the mouse that is being pointed on this white part of the screen in the paint. So in order to get the exact coordinates of the screen, you can use this thing. And if you hover directly using the mouse, you might not get the precise pixel point or pixel coordinates on the screen. So in order to get the precise pixel coordinates, you can use the arrow keys that is being pressed that is present on your keyboard. If you use these arrow keys, you get single pixel change or single pixel variable change in the attribute that you need, the coordinates that you need, and you can use these coordinates in the main project to get the exact accurate coordinates of the thing that you need, of the project that you need to build. So yeah, this is it. This is it, yeah. And then that's all. So you can use these two projects, or you can use these two methods to find the position of the cursor or the pointer on your screen. And at last but not the least, it is highly recommended to avoid mishandling of the knowledge given in this video. This is made only for educational purposes. Please like the video, share, and do subscribe Zero Infinity. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.